Hi everybody.
Hi.
Say hi guys.
Hi.
Hi. So we're going to do a 3D printing project. We do them a little bit we do them quite a bit. Every time we get the 3D printer going, these guys want to make new stuff. They think it's a toy box. So today we're going to print 3D Mickey spinners that we found on Thingiverse. So here's a little clip of what it looks like printing apart. Okay, we're back. Okay guys, sit back and we're going to give you all your pieces. So
they're in the ghost bucket.
Yep, we put them in the ghost bucket. So you guys got to each take one of them. Here's Bubba's. Okay.
After I'm gonna.
Now these have a little bit of grease on them.
Yucky.
So just clean them off with your here. You got to each get 5, and you're gonna each clean them off. Okay. Just wipe them off with that paper towel, so they don't have. They're not really greasy. They just kind of got some oil on them.
How? I'm gonna do this.
Okay, wipe them all off, guys.
Daddy, is this good?
Wipe them off a little bit more so they don't feel sticky.
Okay. They don't feel sticky. They only feel slippery. They don't feel sticky. They only feel slippery, Daddy.
Okay, like this. Take them like this and just kind of go clean all the grease off them like that. You cleaning them up? Yep.
That's clean.
Yep. Okay.
When I got my Pikachu
you dropped one.
visit, when I got my Pikachu visit, I had grease on my. I had grease.
We're going to show them the pieces that we're going to use. So these are 2 pieces that we already printed and put together because they had to be hammered together.
Mickey.
And then we need.
Okay, Mickey Fidget spinner.
Find yours, both up.
Mickey Fidget spinner.
We're not quite done yet, though.
April.
Okay.
Mickey's face looks weird on this side.
Okay, here's all the pieces. So let's see. So what we need is 5 bearings. And they're what they call a 608 bearing. We got those off of Amazon. We got like 20 of them for like $10. So what are they? 50 cents a piece. We need the base, 2 of these, and 4 of these. That's the ear caps they call them. You can see they print on these little mats, so they come off really nice. So now, see if you guys can peel the backs off of those. See them? See, like Chloe's already has one off. Like this. Just bend it like this. Here, I'll show you.
Because right here my thumb hurts and it allows my thumb to hurt when I learn bad things.
So we just do just like this. We just kind of crack it and see how they pull off.
Yeah.
So try to do them like that.
Ooh.
Baby, did you get yours?
I'm gonna go get one of my tools.
Here, no, you don't need tools. Watch,
doesn't
just like
work.
this. Yeah, it does. Like this.
Okay, mine isn't cracking.
Like this. See this? You just gotta go. See?
Oh.
It pops off just like that. Okay, here, baby. See? And we pull it off. Okay? Here, let's do Chloe's other ones. I'll help you, buddy. Let me help. Here, like this.
No, I think I got it now.
Like this. Let me see. There you go.
Dad,
See, then you put these to the side. These are just garbage.
knobs.
No.
No, those we bought.
That's what I was asking you.
Can you get them, Bubba?
No.
Here, like this. So you gotta take it and you crack it like that. See? Now you can pull them off. Here, I'll help you.
So we can bend the ear?
Yep.
I put all my things on
Okay.
here.
I think I can probably know how to do it.
Okay, now you can get them off.
I need help.
Okay, here you go, buddy. So you
I
just.
put all my parts on here.
Yep.
Once these two are already on my.
Alright, now we're ready. So, okay, guys, what we're gonna do.
Can I put this in?
Do the ears first. Take your bearings and put them in like this and see if you can push them down. We'll get something to tap them in. Hang on 1 second. We'll just, like this, we'll go.
Okay, I can probably do that.
Okay. Tap them in like that.
Okay.
Daddy, I got some knobs.
What do I get? Do I use my hands?
Yep, just like that, buddy. Going all the way down as far as you can. Okay?
My turn.
Here.
I gotta
Should
put
we
them
push yours in?
I gotta put
We can probably
all
get them
of
in with just our fingers, see?
I can probably do it.
Try it.
Chloe. I gotta put
Okay,
all
baby,
my
let's do yours. Ready?
Can I put this one in?
Yep, here, let's get them straight first. Ready?
Daddy,
Now you can bang in
can
there.
I put this last one in?
We're going to do that one last.
But I already put all the ears in.
I know, we're going to do it last.
Hey, Mama.
Let's see, ready? Let's get them nice and flat.
Daddy, can I use the tool again to push this one in?
Here, Bob, you got to do this one first now. Ready? We're going to line it up. Bang it in there.
Go bang, bang, bang.
Like this, ready? Okay, now let's get finished Chloe's here.
My hand's doing it.
Yeah.
Daddy, can I use the tool again for the middle one?
Okay.
Can I use the tool again for this middle one?
Okay, now
This is gonna be mine.
we're going to do the middles.
Can I have the tool? I need the tool.
Here. Here. Let's get Chloe's ready. See if you can. Yep, ready? Let's straighten it out. Okay, ready? Put your hand on there. Here, go. Bam. Bam, bam, bam. Good job.
Look, Mama.
Keep
Mama.
going. Here. Ready?
Mama.
Are we ready for Mickey's face?
Okay, guys, ready?
Mickey gets to know.
So now
how
what we
it
do,
ends.
now flip them over.
I flipped mine.
And we got to put the earpieces in now. Not the face yet. So take all these four.
Mine's already
Like
was
this.
flipped over that way.
Okay, flip them over, bub, so you get your bearings.
I flipped it over like this.
Like
'cause
this.
it only was-
Now all your black round things.
And I don't go away flip.
Yep. Now they go like this. Flip them over. See them pieces? They go in there. So push them in there.
Sounds like an Oreo cookie right
Yeah.
without the cream.
Oh, good job,
'Cause
baby.
It does look
Push them all
like
in
an
there.
Oreo.
Daddy, I did it.
Got them all? Now push them down, like flip it over.
Flip
Push
it
'em-
over and push them down.
Yep, that'll push them down good.
Do I do the face now?
Not yet, so Chloe's got to get her one in. Push them down. And flip it over, Bub, and put it down like this. And push it.
Hey, where's
Smack
my other one?
Smack it. Okay, now let's see. We got to straighten
Why
out
does
the...
Mickey have 4 ears? Why doesn't he just have 2?
Okay, guys, it's time for the faces. So put one side on and push them down. They go in.
Not yet.
Let's see.
Oh yeah, okay.
There you go. Okay, to the other side. They go in a little tight, so you need help?
There, I did it with the other one.
Okay.
Good, I did it.
Oh, here, let's see, baby. Let's try to get them in.
Daddy, it stops me right here.
Yeah, you guys got to get your hands in it just right. Okay, let's do the other side.
Done.
Did you get them in, Bob?
Yeah.
All right, good job. All right, guys, they're built. Let's see them. What do you think? Here, push them back in. You got to get them under there.
Okay.
What? See?
Okay, they're all done. We'll get it straightened out. We just got to push the bearing in a little bit harder. See? Spin it. See?
Hey, look.
Push it.
Hey.
See? There you
Hey, look.
go. Good job, baby. So, okay, guys, was that fun?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so I guess that's it for our project for tonight. So we'll try to find some more 3D printing projects and we'll show you them on the next one. Say
Bye,
bye, everybody.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye,
Say thanks for watching.
Meow.
Watching.
Okay, see you next time.
I'll see you again. Bye, 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 bye.